Excited na ba? Tanan! Let the world see our strength, our unity. For the love of our dear former President, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ladies and gentlemen, the solidarity walk of the supporters of former President, Rodrigo Roa
We are showing our incredible resilience as Davaoenyo, the unwavering spirit of standing together as one. Together we are Davao. Together we are unstoppable. 88 years strong, one Davao and going strong.
Isang malaking sigaw! We have our former Mutyan ng Davao, Hannah Malfisha.
At sino naman ang nagsabing walang supporter? Si Tatay Digong!
O, di ba?
Tatawa-tawa pa ang nagsabing walang supporter? Sinong supporters niya? Papayag ba kayo doon?
Hindi!
Hindi ito edited! Hindi na kayang i-edit ang dami ng taong sumusuporta sa kanya! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat!
At habang naglalakad tayo, isigaw na natin ang nasa loob natin!
At ang sigaw ng mga Davaoenyos ay...
We will never get tired until you are home in Davao! Tatay Digong!
We are waiting for your comeback time! Mabuhay ang Davao! Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo, sa inyong mata kanina kadlawon just to join this event, this very momentous event. Something unique that we celebrate our 88th araw ng Davao. This is a very special moment for everyone.
Today, we made a history that the people will